On a sunlit street, a cheeky inventor unveils a sneeze-powered umbrella that bursts into color, confetti, and goofy sparkles. The crowd gasps as the device honks, limbs wobble, and the canopy erupts in a wild rainbow of tiny petals. 2 seconds into the heartbeat of the moment, a stray pigeon rides the gust like a miniature fairy, provoking thunderous laughs. The inventor bows, then reveals the real trick. A glitter trail follows every sneeze and sticks to shoes like magic. Viewers are urged to subscribe for more chaotic cleverness and to share the video if they survived the finale.